Alright guys, come here. Listen up. You saw the title, it's true. You can type text in PowerPoint without actually touching your keyboard. What? So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so as you can see here on my screen, I just have slide 1, slide 2. I'm going to show you guys how you can add text on your screen without even touching your keyboard. This is unreal. I can't believe this is a feature that more people aren't even talking about, and it's kind of accurate. So you guys might be interested in this, especially if you're feeling lazy like me. You know, I'll admit it, I'm a little lazy. You might like this feature. Alright, so here's how you can do it. So what you can do is, let's say you have this slide here. Click in a text box that you want to add that text in. Yes, you can type in sample text like this. Go nuts. You can add in all the text you want. But let's say, you know, we don't want to use our hands anymore. We don't want to use them. Okay, go up here to this voice section right here. All right, so if you hit the drop down menu on dictate, it's going to show you a bunch of different languages that you can pick from that are native to your own speaking language. Now, they don't have every language in here. I think they definitely should work on adding those, but for now, they have some of the more popular languages or well-known languages. Since I speak English, I'm going to pick English and then United States. I'm not really sure what the difference is between English Canada, English United Kingdom, maybe like the accents, but for me, I'm just going to pick English United States. All right, so I have that selected. Now watch this. I'm going to speak into my computer and it's going to type out the entire sentence for me. Now it's going to be really embarrassing if it doesn't work the way it should. All right, so I'm going to hit it. You hear that little ring that happens, and now it's already adding in text for me. I haven't even started my sentences. All right, so I'm going to try and talk slowly and make sure that everything is counted in here. All right. I really like to eat chocolate chip cookies. They are super delicious, and I think everyone should buy chocolate chip cookies today, tomorrow, every day, and the next day. All right, period. All right, we're going to stop it. So I just hit the dictate button, and now that is all my text. So I'm just going to decrease this because there's a lot. So it started adding text before I even got to the actual sentence. But look at this. I literally typed an entire paragraph, without having to do anything. All I hit was this dictate button, and look how accurate it is. As you can see there, if you want to add in periods, you just have to say period or comma or question mark or whatever it is you want to add. That's how you do it. All right, so now let's try a different language, because I mean, we gotta test all the different languages. So here, I'm gonna try a little bit of Spanish, okay? I took a couple classes of Spanish, but it's not the best. So all those Spanish viewers out there, I know there's a lot of you guys out there watching, but don't judge me too hard. So I'm gonna pick Spanish Mexico. So here we go. I hit dictate. Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Y tú? Soy creador de PowerPoint. Yo no sé, lo siento, señor. Let me stop it. Alright, so as you can see here, not too bad. And here's a fun thing too, is let's say you are in the United States, because I remember doing this, and you have to do a presentation on Spanish. And you have to type out all the sentences in Spanish, and you have to go into symbols and add those symbols to all the O's, the A's, the U's. You don't have to do that anymore. It's just, and the tilde on the señor. This is incredible, you guys. And you don't have to waste any more time typing out sentences. So if you're in a library, yes, don't be that crazy person speaking to your laptop. It's about to turn into a pump until he turns in. But if you're in your own room and you're okay with speaking to your own computer, which I do all the time for these videos, I would try out the dictate tool. I think you guys would really like it. It's super fun to use, super accurate, and why not? So get on using the dictate tool. Let me know if you guys use it in the comments down below. And if you did like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up. Also, if you could subscribe, I would greatly appreciate the support. It's free to do, so please do that. If you are interested in learning more about PowerPoint, I do have a course available, so I have a link to that in the description below. But without further ado, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in future videos. Thanks.